I have a lovely book to show you today. This is a first stage mathematics for Royal Air Force and Air Training Corps, 1941. So this was published during the war, and I'm going to just read you one paragraph at the start, and as I've started doing with all my other videos on definitions and so on, I will put the pages at the end of the video so you can read it in your own time and at your leisure. But it's brilliant. It's 1941, and look what it says here. It says there are thousands of young men who wish to join the Royal Air Force, but who feel that they have long forgotten their school mathematics. Interesting, that doesn't say the university mathematics or anything like that, their school mathematics. It is for such men that the authors have written this book. Only the essential parts of the subject have been included, and no attempt whatever has been made to develop the subject in a rigorously mathematical manner. Members of the Air Training Corps will find all that they require to prepare them for their proficiency tests. And it covers triangle of velocities, compass, logarithms, trigonometry, and a number of other items. What is very interesting as well here is it says cadets of the Royal Air Force and Air Training Corps and men on deferred service who wish to become pilots and observers should work steadily through these additional exercises. It's lovely, but what's really amazing about this book is the way it's written, because it covers school review, right? Arithmetic, algebra, geometry, graphs, compass, triangle of velocities, logarithm, trigonometry. And it has obviously the log tables at the back because didn't have calculators in those days. It has exercises, examples, and answers. And what I do love about this book is I actually used it when I got stuck learning logarithms. The teacher that had somehow, I just wasn't getting it. This is when I was studying for my degree. And I found the modern textbooks quite complicated. I just couldn't work out, the purpose, because you get taught to just use the calculator. But I'm like, how does it work? How do log tables work? And it's, oh, well, you don't need log tables now because we've got calculators. But I knew that existed and I just couldn't, work out how to do it. But anyway, here, look, I'm going to put the 6 pages of that section at the end, because in the space of 2 pages, just the first 2 pages, I cleared up my misunderstanding on logs. I couldn't think with it. I just had a misunderstanding. And I thought to myself, isn't that amazing that in 2 pages, well explained, that cleared up the problem. So, yeah, I'm going to put the 6 pages, well, the 2 pages plus the exercises. And if you do like logarithms, or you remember that from school, or you're quite familiar with them, do have a look at the pages and see what you think. And, put your comments. Is it what you've studied, or can you do them? And I will also add the log tables and the anti-log tables at the end so you can work it out. It tells you exactly how to do it. It's really, really wonderful. Yeah, you can literally learn that in a couple of hours.